this.
Hmm.
Wait.
The number first muna.
What? No.
You know the number na eh. The number na lang muna.
Wait. More this again.
Hmm.
Now this. Let's try again.
Let's try again. Where?
Okay.
This one, your name?
Now
The number?
We get past that earlier. We get past that earlier.
This one. Look.
Mm-hmm.
Now hold the pencil tightly.
So,
Okay.
one.
One. Ano one? Go straight. Good job.
Number one have later. That number one number
Yeah.
on top have.
Oh, then what next?
And that number two
Wow, good job.
number
What
on
next?
top have. And that three number blocks
Okay.
and three.
Down.
This is no. And number.
Down. Down. Right. And down. Good job. Next. Go down, go down. Go down. Good job. 6. Ang dali lang ng 6. Go. Go down. Go down. Good job. About 7. Easy 7. Good job. Next.
May I'm getting
Ay, sorry.
tired.
Okay. Last na to.
We finished this.
Okay, 9 na.
Okay.
9 na. Circle. And go down. Good job.
The last letter.
Last. Straight 1.
Okay.
Oh, big circle.
And looking
Okay.
broke.
Okay. Big circle. Good job. You make it.
Next.
What next?
Go break down the
Your name?
break that up. This one.
Okay.
You did that correctly,
Hmm.
but let me like that.
Up. Right. Down. Right. Up. Good job. Right.
Now go 3 flat.
Okay. Right. Up. Right. Down. Right. Up. Right. Down. Right. Up. Left. Right. Finish.
Okay, how about fox?
How about fox? Right. Up. Right. Down. Right. Up. right, down, right, up, right, down, right, up, right, down. Ikaw ang magsabi.
down,
Mm.
up, left,
Right,
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 up,
up,
right,
right,
down,
down,
right,
right,
up,
up,
right.
right.
Oh, good job. Next.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Okay. Okay, right, down. Go to up. Go to,
To the logo say
yeah,
with the
okay.
arrow.
Okay. Down.
Down.
Next. Down. Up. Good job.
Just 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on the finish.
Finish 5. Up.
Up,
Down.
down,
Up.
up,
Down.
down, down,
Up.
up,
Down.
down, left,
Up.
up, down, left, up,
Right yan.
right, down, up.
Good job.
Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 5.
This is 5.
Okay. And what this?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Let's go to
Butterfly.
butterfly. Okay. Circle. Go. Good job.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. There's so many.
You want to continue pa?
The race on top.
More?
Yeah, we need to bleed this.
Baka namiga.
Hello, I'm studying.
Go.
No, show you how I study.
Go.
Oops.
Go, go.
Oopsie. Oi.
See, tingnan mo kasi, oh. Next. Need to watch your step. Next. Okay. There. Here. Papunta doon.
Ow. I did it. Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more. Okay. No, this this not done.
So, want to continue?
Okay.
Or later na?
I want.
Okay.
We need to complete this.
Mm.
We need to complete this book.
Mm-mm.
Hello guys. May I tell you how I study perfectly. Here is my book. Let it go. Hi. This is my book. Let's start. Gone.
You watch your, writing,
Okay.
Okay, go. Down. Up. Down. Up. Faster masyado.
Okay, let me go again. Here maybe to go. Look like shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Louder. 6. Ano sa 6?
6.
Hmm.
What?
7.
7. Oh, just one more. Almost done. Almost done. Oh.
Ayusin natin yung,
Hello guys, this is my book. And this is shape drawing pencil. Down,
Up,
up,
down.
down. Okay, let me go again. We are the same. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
7, 8. This are not done.
So, you want to continue?
Yes. Well, it's my book.
What's your, ha? 1, 2, 3.
Circle,
Go
Down.
down.
left, Up.
Right.
right, circle, down, left, circle,
Down.
Okay, let me go again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and what the
8.
8, 9,
9. Oh, this one. Not
yeah.
done.
But means this or not that.
You want to continue?
There's a timer on that.
You want to continue?
The timer on top. And if finish this or it's over.
Are you sleepy na?
No.
Yun na, last na. Ayusin ang paghawak ng pencil like this.
Help me.
Like this.
You do.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, later na.
No. And what?